Dear student, shall we proceed to your happy words study pack lecture? Let's get going. Here are our happy words. The first word is gembira. Gembira means happy. The second word is bergembira. Bergembira means to be happy or to have fun. The third word is kegembiraan. Kegembiraan means happiness. Here are our happy words sentences. Gembira, happy. The married couple always looks happy. Pasangan suami isteri itu selalu nampak gembira. Pasangan suami isteri itu selalu nampak gembira. Pasangan suami isteri itu selalu nampak gembira. Here is our second sentence with the word bergembira, to be happy or to have fun. They want to have fun at the beach. Mereka mahu bergembira di tepi pantai. Mereka mahu bergembira di tepi pantai. Mereka mahu bergembira di tepi pantai. Here is our third word with the word kegembiraan, happiness. Happiness comes from within your heart. Kegembiraan datang dari dalam hati Anda. Kegembiraan datang dari dalam hati Anda. Kegembiraan datang dari dalam hati Anda. Bravo! You have completed your Happy Words Study Pack lecture.